عليكم. اسمي محمد. السلام عليكم، اسمي محمد هون الجاسم. السنة الرابعة، رقم 53 ثلاثة. أثناء امتحان الميد لمادة Software Design. السؤال الأول. Question 1A. Multi-choice. Select the appropriate choice and verify your answer. 1. If your participation is unavailable, which model is to be chosen? Which model? A. Model A. Waterfall model. Because this model, each phase must be completed before the next phase begins. Question 2. What does anomaly in requirement implies? Right answer is A. Multiple interpretations are possible because an anomaly suggests that there is ambiguity or inconsistency in requirements. 3. Which is appropriate of good requirement analysis? I picked C. Imagination and creativity because it's needed to think creatively and imagine different scenarios. Question 4. If limited user participation is available, which model is to be selected? 4. I chose B. Spiral model because it provides space for limited user involvement throughout the, the development process. 5. Which of the following is a functional requirement? Pick C. Business needs because a functional requirement describe or features that a system should perform to support specific business's needs. That's A done. Now B. Sorry about the quality. I lost my sheets and I had to use this one they uploaded in the class on Telegram. So this is question 1B. For the following scenario, draw use case diagram that includes actor, primary use case, and relationship. Scenario A. In applications, users registration process, stakeholders decide that email verification steps should be included to ensure authenticity. They also want to offer social media login as an optional enhancement to registration. Draw the use case diagram that encapsulates the elements. It goes like this. Scenario A. User goes into user registration and it includes email verification and extends to social media logging. Now, in scenario B, in travel booking system, the search flights function allows users to refine the results by applying filters, example price or price or airline. Additionally, show price alert should be an optional extension of this search feature. Draw a use case diagram illustration stating these use case and relationships. So, scenario B, just like scenario A, goes from the user to the search flight. All this is out of a huge box. So, search flights includes apply filter and extends to show price alert as seen here. Now we move into question 2. For each of the following project scenarios, select the most suitable software in engineering life cycle model. If your answer in your answer, clarify your choice by explaining how the model you chose addresses the project's specific needs. So, for one, development of a new complex aerospace control system where high risk and uncertainties are present. Spiral model because it's appropriate for high risk and complex system. For two, a bank needs develop family to develop a new online banking platform but wants to release features in phases, starting with core functions and adding more features over time. Development of a payroll system for a mid-sized company where the requirements are clearer and well defined from the start. Oh wait, I read one, two, and three. For two, I chose increment model because it can release features feature in phases and adding more features over time. And for three, I use waterfall model because the requirements are clear and well defined. For fourth, for four, healthcare startup is developing a new telemedicine application with an uncertain user interface and functionality that needs to be validated with early users. I picked the Scrum because it's appropriate for that system, and it's good iter because of its because of its iter- iterative development and flexible in in requirements. Now we move into question three after finishing question two. Question three it revolves around this code right here, the script. Question three: for the following Java class code, answer the questions. Note, read the program component to understand the objective of the code. What type of cohesion is demonstrated by the methods in the shipment class? Provide example to support your answer. Question three. The methods demonstrated functional cohesion because each method in the class performs a specific task relatable to the shipment process, like the ship method handles the shipping process based on the destination, country, and whether it is in the EU. That's A. Now, B. How does the current level of cohesion in the shipment class impact its maintainability and understandability? Provide reasoning based on the software design principle. The high cohesion level in the shipment class positively mainta- impacts maintainability and understandability. This adherence to the single responsibility principle ensures that the class is focused on the specific task of shipping process, making it easier to maintain and modify the code. Now see, how does the use of private method uh, get EU carrier and send affect the coupling of the shipment class? Does this enhance or reduce coupling and why? The use of private methods get EU carrier and send in the shipment class reduces coupling. This enhances modulability and reusability by isolating internal logic within the class, limiting dependency. That's C. D. Draw level 0 and level 1 of DFD. This is D. Skip this and need a drawing. And here we go. Level D. Level 0 DFD starts with input, which is the product, destination country, and EU status. Shipment process to output, shipment configuration. But then level 1 DFD goes from input, product, EU status, destination country, to process 1, initialization shipment data, process 2, select carrier, shipment carrier, select carrier, process 3, send shipment sent, and at the end, output shipment send configuration. And that's it. That's all the questions for midterm exam. For the midterm exam for software design by دكتور علي الإيداني. مع السلامة.